so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. I really do appreciate it. So I'm going to share my March 2023 Boxycharm box with you. This is the base box. This is my second month getting this box. So we're just going to go through. We're going to see what we got and all of that stuff. I do see this card here. It says Gorgeous Together. It's just talking about how Ipsy and Boxycharm are going to be combining. Same name, new destination, 3 times more choice, power picks, easy mobile access, because now you can download the Ipsy app. You will be able to see all your Boxycharm info on there. That's exciting. So it does have all of the items listed here. This is my box number down here. There we go. Okay, so without looking, I'm just gonna grab and then go from there. So let's just grab the first thing. Item number 1. This is Belle in Argent, I think is how you pronounce this brand. Tinted lip balm. A nourishing, lightly tinted balm that moisturizes lips all day, provides gentle color, made with jojoba and sunflower oils, works for all skin types, comfortable enough to wear all day. It is a new brand to Boxycharm. I do believe this is a brand that Ipsy would give out. And it says it's $18. Ooh, super pretty packaging. Definitely has reflectiveness, so I apologize, but it's a shiny purple. And then it just has a bee right there. My friend Carla would love this packaging, and the color is at Hello Nude. It smells kind of vanilla. We're just going to try it on because I have a little bit of something, but nothing much. Gives a little bit of color, but not much. Does feel hydrating. It doesn't feel sticky, tacky. It feels really nice, so glad about that. It's the first thing I got. All right, the next thing I got is from KOA Life Niacinamide Booster. It says boost your current skincare regimen with this booster serum. Add a few pumps to your current skincare to up-level your products or on its own. Niacinamide keeps your skin firm and healthy, treats hyperpigmentation, helps treat blemishes, protects against sun damage, and minimizes fine lines and wrinkles. Juicy skin starts here. This is also saying it's a new brand to Boxy, and it retails for $35. I love skincare. Lately, I've been like more on a skincare kick than I have makeup. I've just truly been loving skincare. Is what it looks like. I'm not going to open it quite yet. It is sealed. I'm not going to open it because I am currently working on another product, but I'm super excited to try this. As I told you guys in the last video, I do feel like Boxy does have some hidden gems when it comes to skincare. I may not be familiar with the brands, but I do know that a lot of the stuff I have tried, I have truly enjoyed. It does say it's no minerals, no oils, no mineral oils, no sulfates, no parabens, vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free. It says it has high-tense hydration. It reduces signs of aging, restores, strengthens, knock out dry, irritated skin. I'm really excited for this. I do have some acne scarring and things like that I noticed since I got in my 40s. Even though I may not pop a pimple, it still leaves a scar behind, as you can see, like on my cheek and even here. It just does that, so this is going to be great. That's the second item that I received. All right. Third item, I think I picked this item if I remember correctly. This is from First Aid Beauty or Fab Beauty. This is cleansing oil and makeup remover. This is a full size. That is what it looks like. I chose this because I always love makeup removing products to test them out and see if they're any good. It says here an oil to foam 2-in-1 cleanser that melts makeup and cleanses in a single step, leaving skin supremely clean and makeup free with no oily residue. The sulfate-free hybrid formula starts as a gel oil texture that helps dissolve impurities, sunscreen, and makeup, including long wear and waterproof. This retails for $26, and definitely excited to give this a try as well. I love things like this, and I do love this brand because it is Really great for my sensitive dry skin. Everything that I have tried, I have truly enjoyed. So that is the next item. So 2 more things. It looks like this month I did get a very heavy skincare box, and that is okay. Do I need makeup right now? Not really. I don't need any more, but of course I love makeup, but the skincare is absolutely fine. This is Dew of the Gods Feels Microdermabrasion Dry Erase Face Scrub. It says tiny delicate silica crystals bind to a rich oat milk base to form the ultimate dry erase. Say goodbye to layers of years and tears with this Luxe Dry Erase Facial Scrub formulated with fatty squalene to protect new skin while the old you washes away. Designed to be applied dry, the tiny magnesium oxide crystals are like no other scrub you've ever experienced and retails for $30. That is what it looks like. It does have a seal on it, so we're not going to open it as well because I currently have another face scrub open at the time. But it does say on here, diamonds are cold, gold is overrated, silk is just a fabric. Don't pretend. Feel what's real. Microdermabrasion crystals bind to a rich oat milk form ultimate dry erase. Say goodbye to layers, years, and tears with our Luxe Dry Erase Facial Scrub formulated with squalene to protect new skin while the old you washes away. So excited about that. So I got 3 skincare products, and so far 1, I would say, makeup-ish product. And then the last product here, this is the Ace Beauté, I think is how you pronounce it, Ultimate Sculpt Face Palette. It says the Ultimate Sculpt Face Palette has 4 shades that can be used to highlight, define, contour, and bronze. Each shade can be used as is or layered on top of each other to create a seamless custom look. And it does retail for $42. It is reflective packaging. That is what it looks like there. I do like this reflective packaging. It's very sleek and very nice. It's like it's a cream contour palette. I don't find that I would use something like this, to be honest. I have plenty cream bronzers and contours, and I barely even dip into those as it is. So not too happy about this one, just because those are definitely not all shades that I could use. So I'm probably going to stick this aside for either friend mail or a giveaway. It's really nice. I may change my mind, but for right now I'm going to say this is something I wouldn't want because, like I said, I have just way too many of those type of products in my collection that I don't even use at, you know, as it is. My box this month retailed for $151, which overall was not bad. Again, I got this Dew of the Gods face scrub right there. I do like skincare, so I'm okay with that. This Fab Cleansing Oil Makeup Remover. The Niacinamide Drops. Ace Beauté Sculpting Face Palette. And then the lip, I guess you would say lip balm. So my most favorite thing was probably the lip balm. My least favorite obviously is this because I don't see myself using that. But that is everything that I got in this month's box. I would say overall it wasn't bad. I would have maybe liked something different than this face palette and maybe like one more makeup item because I actually want more makeup than I do skincare. But I do love trying new skincare brands. I do love skincare. I've kind of been on a skincare kick lately, just trying a lot of different things. You know, and as you age, you kind of do start doing that to find the right items for your skin. So I just wanted to come on here and share this with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you do get Boxycharm, let me know if we were Boxycharm twins. Let me know if you got any of these products or if you got something different. I would love to know that from you guys. So this is going to complete this video. But thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.